Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with safety and observation. Park on level ground, turn ignition off, and remove the keys so the arms can't snap. Lift the driver's side wiper into service position and lay a towel under the blade to protect the glass. Note which blade is driver versus passenger and measure lengths. 2018 GMC Sierra commonly uses different sizes. Once done, depress the small tab on the blade connector and pull the wiper down and off the hook-style arm. You'll feel a click when released. You now swap blades precisely so the new rubber seats correctly. With the old blade off, inspect the arm hook and any adapter on the new blade. Match the adapter to your arm type. Slide the new blade upward into the hook, making sure the connector tab engages. You'll hear a click when locked. Once attached, gently lower the arm toward the windshield to control impact. Make sure the rubber lip points at the glass and that the blade pivots freely across its full range. You finish with a functional check so the swap is reliable. Lower the arms slowly onto the glass, start the vehicle, and run the wipers through intermittent, low, and high to inspect sweep and contact. If you hear chatter or see streaking, make sure the blade is seated and the rubber edge is clean. Contaminants cause skipping. Once done, replace both blades as a pair if wear is uneven. If problems persist, re-examine the adapter orientation or try a different brand to eliminate fit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.